Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the celebrity inspired natural hair tutorial using ORS Curls Unleashed. I'm super excited to be showing you this tutorial. I took some inspo from Yara Shahidi, the grownish actor, and I did this quick twist bun. This is super cute and super easy for the winter time. First, I'm starting out with freshly cleansed and conditioned hair. My hair is super dry. It has no products in it. I'm going to be using 3 products from the line: the Shea Butter and Honey Curl Defining Cream, the Aloe Vera and Honey Curl Boosting Jelly, and last but not least, the Curls Unleashed Coconut and Shea Butter Curl Amplifying Gel Souffle. These products are super moisturizing, definitely good for the winter time. To start the styling process off, I'm just starting by separating my hair into 3 sections. First, I'm going to apply water to the bang section. The first product I'm going to be adding to my hair is the Shea Butter and Honey Curl Defining Cream. This cream is definitely one of my new favorites. It's super duper thick and super moisturizing, but it doesn't leave my hair oily. It gives my hair a nice shine, and it actually defines my curls. So the formula includes shea butter and honey. We all know shea butter is super thick and super moisturizing, so this is definitely one of my go-to moisturizers for the winter time because I definitely need that extra moisture with it being so cold outside. The next product I'm adding is the Aloe Vera and Honey Curl Boosting Jelly. I really love this product for definition and hold. It does have a light to medium holds, and it is definitely crunch free, so it doesn't leave my hair feeling crunchy, but it does give me a hold and leaves my hair looking shiny and feeling pretty soft. I'm using the same method that I usually do for my wash and goes, which is just the Reiki method. I noticed that is how I get the most definition. If you have a method that you like for your wash and goes, please comment it down below. I definitely want to try the shingling method. So now I'm going to move on to the twisting side of my hair, and I'm just going to be doing 2 twisties. So this is perfect for everyone who always comments and says, I love this style, but I can't braid. This is a braidless style. Super easy. This would really be cute for any age, especially if you have a kid and you just want to do a really cute style on them. This is definitely an easy style to go to, and I would definitely recommend doing this style with these products because, as you guys can see, my hair started off super dry and now I actually have some shine to it. If you're looking for some products that help with definition and moisture, these are definitely the products to grab. Now for my ponytail, I'm going to add a little water, and I'm also going to be using the Coconut and Shea Butter Curl Amplifying Gel Souffle, and this souffle smells so good. And these products are also sulfate and paraben free, so if you like to pay attention to ingredients, do not include sulfates and parabens. This souffle gives a light to medium hold as well. Definitely didn't see any flakes from neither one of these gels, so I definitely give these 2 a thumbs up. I hate gels that flake, and I hate when gels don't mix with other products in the line, and these 2 gels mix perfectly with the other products. And I'm going to use the same Coconut and Shea Butter Curl Amplifying Gel Souffle on my edges just to lay them, and it did give me a nice hold on my edges and a nice shine. Of course, I'm going to be adding a couple of jewels to my twist. Yara didn't have these, but I wanted to add it just to spice it up. Now, this ORS collection can be found at Walmart, Sally's, Target, just to name a few places. You also can find it on orshaircare.com, and I'll leave that all down in the description box below. That is the finished look for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and tell me down below what is your go-to winter hairstyle. I'm gonna be honest, I've been wearing a lot of ponytails and a lot of buns. So love and blessings, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.